Hello everyone, I'm Mishavi. Currently, I'm pursuing my degree in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and my topic is on structure and union in C programming. Structures and unions in C programming. In C programming, structure and unions are both used to store collections of variables, but they manage memory differently. Below is an outline for the presentation on these two concepts, including the structure, comparison, and examples. Introduction to data types in C. Primitive data types int, char, float, etc. Derived data types array, pointer, structures, and unions. Importance managing complex data using structure and unions. Structure definition. A structure is a user defined data type that groups different types of data together. The major difference between a structure and an array is that an array can store only information of same data type. The structure is a collection of variables under a single name. The variables within the structure are of different types and each has a name that is used to select it from the structure. Structure declaration. A structure is declared using the keyword struct followed by the structure name. All the variables of the structure are declared within the structure. The structure type is generally declared by using the following syntax with the example. The syntax for the structure is structure name, data type member 1, data type member 2. And the example for the structure is struct person, char name 50, int age, float height. Usage. Consider different types of data, example name, height, age, etc. Memory allocation in structures. Memory behavior. Each member has its own memory location. Example struct person P1, printf percentage ZU, size of P1. The total memory used is sum of sizes of individual members. Assessing the members of a structure. A structure member variables generally assessed using a dot operator. The syntax of assessing a structure or a member of a structure can be given as struct what dot member name. For example, to assign the values of an individual data member of a structure variable stud1, we may write stud1 roll number 1, stud1 name Rahul, stud1 fees 45,000. Union definition. A union is a simple data type that allows storing different types of data in the same memory location, but only at the time. To better understand union, think it as a chunk of memory that is used to store variable of different types. When a new value is assigned to a field, the existing data is replaced with the new data. Declaring a union. The syntax for declaring a union is the same as that of a declaring a structure. Again, a type of keyword can be used to simplify the declarations of union variables. The most important thing to remember about a union is that the size of an union is the size of a largest field. This is because a sufficient number of bytes must be received to store the largest sized field. The syntax for the union is union name, data type member 1, data type member 2. The example for the union is union data, int I, float f, and char c. Memory allocation in unions. Memory behavior. All members share the same memory location and the size of a union is size of its largest member. Example union data D1, printf percentage ZU, size of D1. Key difference from the structures. Union save memory by reusing the same space of all members. Assessing a member of union. A member of a union can be assessed using the same syntax as data structure. To assess that the fields of union, use a dot operator, that is a union variable named followed by the dot operator followed by the member name. Key differences between structure and unions. Memory allocation in structure. Separate memory for each member. Memory allocation in union. Shared memory for all members. Size in structure. Sum of all the sizes of all members. Size in union. Size of largest member. Usage in structure. Storing different data together. Usage in union. Storing different data types at one at a time. Assessing members in structure. All members can be assessed simultaneously. Assessing members in union. Only one member can be assessed at a time. Practical example structure versus union. Structure example struct data int I float f struct data d1 d1 I is equal to 10 d1 f is equal to 3.14. Both I and f hold the values simultaneously. Union example union data int I float f, union data d1I is equal to 10 and d1f is equal to 3.14. When to use structures and unions? Use structures when you need to store multiple data types together. Each member needs its own memory space, example representing complex objects like employees, students, etc. Use unions when you need to save memory by using the same memory location for a different types. Only one member needs to be used at a time. Example, saving different types of data in a shared space like in memory efficient data storage system. Conclusion. Structure and unions are powerful tools in C for managing related data. Structure are best for organizing heterogeneous data with the separate memory allocations. Unions are optimal when the memory efficiency is priority and you need only one member active at a time. Thank you.